Assalamualaikum everyone. Thanks for being here today. I want to dive into the story of a company that completely changed how people travel, Redbus. If you look at the formal detail, the company is legally registered as a Redbus India Private Limited. True, back when it first launched, it was called Pilani Softland. The whole journey started in August 2006, founded by the three Beats Pilani alumni, Fanindra Sama, Sundaka Pasupunuri, and Sharan Padmaraju. They set up their headquarters in Bengaluru, which made perfect sense given its India tech capital. Fast forward to today and they grow into a massive global player. They were actually acquired by Make My Trip through a merger with a Ibibo group, and that backing helped them scale way beyond India. Now you can find Redbus operating in markets all over the world, including Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Peru, and Colombia. Every great startup has a frustration story, and Redbus is no exception. Let's take a quick look at how they got to where they are today. In 2006, the genesis. It all started because the founder personally struggled to book bus tickets during the holiday. Back then, everything was incredibly manual. They were literally allocating seats by hand. In 2007 until 2011, scaling up. Over the next few years, they will caught the attention of investors like Seed Fund, Inventors, and Helion. With that funding, they started the massive task of digitizing domestic bus routes across India. In 2013, acquisition. By 2013, they hit a huge milestone. They were acquired by Nasper via the Ibibo Group for $110 million, which was a massive headline-grabbing deal for the Indian tech ecosystem at that time. Global move 2015. With that momentum, 2015 became the year they pushed outside India to try their model globally. 2011 plus, MMT era, and finally from 2011 onward under Make My Trip, they really focused on scaling up their operation in Latin America, finding a lot of success in places like Peru and Colombia. So how does the business actually work? Well, Redbus didn't just build a popular app. They built an entire ecosystem that connects every single side of the bus industry. They do this through three main products. First, there are the B2C platform. This is the apps and website most of us know. It's where travelers go to look up schedule, check out the exact seat layout, compare price, and log in their tickets securely. But they also realized they need to help the bus companies themselves, which led to the BOSS SaaS. This stands for Bus Operator Software System. It's a cloud-based tool that functions as an internal CRM and inventory management system, essentially helping old school bus operators teach paper log and digitize their business. Finally, they didn't leave out traditional neighborhood travel agent. Through a system called Seat Seller, local brick and mortar agents get direct access to live bus inventory. This means walk-in customer can book a seat on the spot, and then agent earn direct commission. It's a win-win for everyone. To wrap things up, let's look at the sheer scale of what they achieve. Today, Redbus has crossed strategizing 118 million trips booked globally. You don't hit a number like that without a really solid infrastructure, which boils down to the three key things. First, a massive network. They connect travelers to over 3,500 private and public bus operators around the world. Local convenience. They know that localization matter. So, in the place like Southeast Asia, they integrate popular local payment options that people actually use, like FPX, Touch and Go, and Boost. And the last one is physical partnership. They don't just stay in the digital world, they partner with the major physical transit hub too, like the Terminal Persepadu Selatan (TBS) in Malaysia, to make the transition from apps to actual travel completely seamless.
So for our project, we wanted to look closely at Redbus and pinpoint where the current system falls short when it comes to passenger safety. We ended up finding two major problems. The first one is the unpredictable seating and scheduling risk. Right now, when booking on Redbus, female travelers have no choice but to take standard mixed bus with random seating arrangement. This means a woman traveling alone on a late-night coach could easily be seated next to a complete stranger, which often leads to high anxiety, discomfort, and serious safety concerns during long journeys. There is just no option for them to choose or feel 100% sure they are booking a space where they can actually feel safe. The issue is what we call repetitive operational drain. Right now, customer service agents spend way too much time answering the exact same basic questions every day, like platforms number or luggage limits. Because their queues are completely clogged with these minor tasks, they just don't have the time or capacity to quickly step in and handle urgent safety situations. Clearly, the standard setup is not doing enough to protect vulnerability travelers. To show you how our team plans to fix these exact vulnerabilities, I'm going to pass the floor over to Nabila.
Thank you, Ami. So let's look for features of AI Redbot. Ever try reaching out to customer service on Redbus only to get stuck on this endless buffering screen? It's honestly so frustrating when you just need a quick answer. Well, here's a much faster workaround. Instead of standard help, look for the AI Redbot feature in your account settings. It instantly opens up a chat assistant ready to help you out without the wait. You can use it for a ton of useful things. For example, if you want to track your bus, just tap the tracking option, drop in your trip number, and boom! It sends you a live Google Map location so you know exactly where you are is. Need a discount? You can literally just ask the bot for active promo codes. If the first suggestion is only for new users, just let it know you are an existing customer, and it will instantly hook you up with an alternative code to save on your ticket. The best part, it completely understands conventional Malay too. If you need a copy of your ticket for tomorrow, just ask nicely, give it your trip number, and it will put up your PDF e-ticket right there in the chat, super quick and hassle-free. If you want to know the next feature, then I will pass to Adiba. Thank you, Ami. So let's look for features of AI Redbot. Ever try reaching out to customer service on Redbus only to get stuck on this endless buffering screen? It's honestly so frustrating when you just need a quick answer. Well, here's a much faster workaround. Instead of standard help, look for the AI Redbot feature in your account settings. It instantly opens up a chat assistant ready to help you out without the wait. You can use it for a ton of useful things. For example, if you want to track your bus, just tap the tracking option, drop in your trip number, and boom! It sends you a live Google Map location so you know exactly where you are is. Need a discount? You can literally just ask the bot for active promo codes. If the first suggestion is only for new users, Just let it know you are an existing customer, and it will instantly hook you up with an alternative code to save on your ticket. The best part, we completely understand conventional Malay too. If you need a copy of your ticket for tomorrow, just ask nicely, give it your trip number, and it will put up your PDF e-ticket right there in the chat, super quick and hassle-free. If you want to know the next feature, then I will pass to Adiba. Thank you, Amni. So let's look for features of AI Redbot. Ever try reach out to customer service on Redbus only to get stuck on this endless buffering screen? It's honestly so frustrating when you just need a quick answer. Well, here's a much faster workaround. Instead of standard help, look for the AI Redbot feature in your account settings. It instantly opens up a chat assistant ready to help you out
Thank you,
without
Nabila.
the
So now I want to present to you a new feature called Woman Bus Only. Alright, let's open up the Redbus app. We will start by jumping into the profile section to log in real quick, using a mobile number to pull up our account. With that done, just key in your departure and arrival stations. We are tracking Kota Baru, Kelantan to Terminal Bersepadu Selatan here. Pick your date and hit search buses. Now, you will see trips matching your preference. Tap on your preferred time slot and check out the deck view layout and lock down your favorite seat. Double check your exact boarding point and dropping details to keep things running smoothly on travel day. Before heading to payment, you can review the travel insurance and refund options. Adjust these add-ons based on your preference. Lastly, head over to the passenger details section. If the traveler is not saved yet, just tap Add New Passenger, type in their name and age, save them to your list, and select them to wrap up your booking. To get the best price, apply any available coupon codes right here. You can also use your Redbus wallet balance to save even more on your ticket. Choose your preferred payment method and proceed to the secure gateway. Once the payment goes through, that's it. Your booking is confirmed and your e-ticket is ready to go. Safe travels! Once you want to make a payment, there is a specific time where the transaction needs to be complete before the time's out. Let's open up the Redbus app. We will start by jumping into the profile section to log in real quick, using a mobile number to pull up our account. With that done, just key in your departure and arrival stations. We are tracking Kota Baru, Kelantan to Terminal Bersepadu Selatan here. Pick your date and hit search buses. Now, you will see trips matching your preference.
Final key section of our presentation, implementation challenges and strategy. As we launch this digital solution, we have identified three main hurdles and development strategy solutions for each to ensure a successful and reliable rollout. First, let's look at identity verification. The challenges. Our main obstacle is ensure that the service remains strictly for women and prevent any unauthorized cross or identity fraud. In other words, we need a bulletproof gatekeeping system to maintain a safety, exclusive space and protect our user privacy. Next, the strategy. To overcome this, our strategy is to integrate AI facial recognition, NIC, or password verification during registration to validate the user gender and identity. By doing this, we can automatically cross-check registration against official document, making it almost impossible for a bad actors to create fake profile. Second, we have chatbot accuracy. The challenge, since we serve diverse travelers, chatbot often struggle with language nuance, local slang, and complex tourism-related query. Standard chatbot usually fail when tourism ask questions using broken English or informal local terms, which can lead to frustrated. Next, the strategy. To fix this, our strategy is to continually upgrade our chatbot with natural language processing (NLP) trained on local dialect and localize the tourism database. This means our AI will not just translation words literally, but actually understand the culture context, allowing it to provide smart, accurate, and human-like recommendation to every traveler. Let's address real-time safety. The challenge. Our absolutely priority is maintain 100% visibility of the bus location and providing immediately help during emergency, especially in remote tourism area. If a vehicle breaks down or a passenger feels unsafe in area with poor signal, a delayed response is not option. Next, strategy. Our strategy is to integrate live GPS monitoring direct into chatbot. This allows users to easily share their live location with family and give them instant access to a one-tap SOS button. This ensures that if anything goes wrong, a distress signal with precise coordinate is sent immediately to our command center and local authority for immediately rescue.
To wrap things up, implementing the Woman Only Bus and the AI chatbot will bring two major consequences to the Red Bus application. For the Woman Only Bus, the consequence is a dramatic increase in safety and trust. By providing a secure, verified space, we will tap into a massive market of solo female travelers and build long-term brand loyalty. For the AI chatbot, the consequence is 24/7 seamless support. Even though understanding local slang and complex tourism queries is a challenge, a well-trained AI will eliminate language barriers and cut down customer service costs. Ultimately, these solutions don't just solve problems, they make Redbus a safer, smarter, and more inclusive leader in travel.